Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase the fan speed on Predator 17. If you want to increase the fan speed to have better airflow and to cool your computer better, it's especially good for gaming, then you can go to Predator Sense, which if you don't have, then you can install it from the ACER website, and if you don't know how to do it, then you can simply watch a video on our channel on how to update and install drivers on this device. So I'm gonna go to that Predator Sense, and this is like the only way to do that, so that's what you should look for, and you'll see some turbo faster and normal, but it's like overclocking, so it doesn't really matter now. What we should look for is this settings icon and enable maximum fan speed. Now I can hear them pretty well, and if I disable that, it gets disabled straight away. I mean, they are slowing down right now, I believe. I think so. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.